Unfortunately, the unrest has lasted for so long. Some of our healthcare personnel is putting up a political stand. I would say this is absolutely unprofessional. In the professional ethics and in the Hippocratic Oath, we must maintain our professionalism as to avoid any element of politics, the color of the people, or the gender of the patient affecting our professional service. You know, we've seen some healthcare personnel expressing their political stand in hospitals. And even there are incidents, there are complaints that some of these healthcare personnel are, in a way, their political stand is affecting the service to the patient. And there are some complaints about unethical behaviors from these political personnel. I do believe this is really detrimental to the whole healthcare system. And we must make sure that we maintain our professionalism. The next thing, the reason social unrest and riots have affected Hong Kong is that it has actually affected some of our teaching and training activities. Medical students from the Faculty of Medicine of the University of Hong Kong would usually, in the recent few years, they would come to our hospital. They could cross the border to come to our hospital in Shenzhen to have teaching and training, because this is a wonderful opportunity for them not just to learn from the huge volume of patients, but also to learn about the healthcare service, the advancements, some of these smart hospitals, for example. But unfortunately, because of the recent social unrest, and some students were worried about traveling across the border, and the Faculty of Medicine has decided to withhold this training for a while. They lose the learning opportunity, and I hope we will be able to resume that very soon, because this is going to affect our next generation. The third thing is that even many international conferences are affected. Some of these conferences, which are scheduled to be held in Hong Kong, they are cancelled or deferred because of the uncertainty and the social unrest. Many of these speakers from abroad, they're worried about the safety coming to Hong Kong. So I think this has a very serious impact on not just the present healthcare service, but the future of our healthcare service. If this continue and this affects our teaching, training, international collaboration, and even the professionalism of our healthcare personnel, I'm really absolutely worried about that.